Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In today's video, we're going to talk about Fidelity Pointwise and in particular the rainbow colors command. As you can see here in my session of Pointwise, I have a quadcopter symmetry geometry that we've used for a number of trainings that we've produced. Right now I don't have any entities currently selected. If I come up to the View toolbar and mouse over the Rainbow Colors command, you can see it's not available and it says no entities are selected. You must have at least 2 or more entities selected prior to this command being available. I'm going to go ahead and just click on the database name in the list, which is a shortcut to select all database entities, and you can see now that the Rainbow Colors command is available. Let's just go ahead and click on that now. And what the Rainbow Colors command does is simply changes the display color attribute for all of the individual entities from their automatic state to a per entity state for color, and then sets a different color for each one. And what this does is it enables easier visualization of individual surfaces. So for instance, the hub for this propeller, I can see already just from this distance from the model that it's made up of 2 different cylindrical surfaces. So it's really just a visualization tool that enables you to probably a little more easily interrogate your geometry model when needed. When you've finished your work having your entities displayed in this fashion and you prefer to possibly restore them to their original state, of course, you can always use the undo command up on the toolbar to undo that rendering change of your entities. However, there could be times when possibly you've made those changes and you've gone on to use other commands in the interface, and that undo state may no longer be available. And so you can restore those entities directly using the attributes command. So let's go into that command panel briefly. Let's go ahead and select all of these database entities so that the tools are available here in the panel. And you can see down here for color mode, we want to switch these back to by entity type, which is an automatic rendering of the entities based on the type of entity. And then we just simply click on Update Entity Display, and you can see that all of the database entities that I was working on have been restored to their default rendering. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line down below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.